Good morning. Going to review our last topic today. It's the one that we did last week. This is all about water. Remember, we use the water that's in the ground. That's the water that we drink. It's fresh, it's clean, and it is stored in what we call an aquifer. An aquifer is where we get groundwater. The soil is porous and it allows water to soak in and stay there. Aquifer, groundwater. Another word that we learned was surface water. And surface water is when the aquifer is above the ground. So here we have a river. A river is surface water. A lake is surface water. The space in the soil where the water goes is what we call porosity, pore space. How much space to hold water, like a sponge. Permeability, how fast water can go through the spaces. Permeability, how fast does the water go in? Its speed. Remember that some groundwater is hot. Here you see that the water in the aquifer is being heated up by magma, melted rock. And it can form mud pots or paint pots, geysers, which explode, and hot springs, which have lots of dissolved minerals in them. Gives them pretty colors. Remember that a paint pot forms in mud, and mud is usually made of the sediment size clay. You have sand, silt, and clay is the smallest, but it makes mud when it gets hot. Remember that water in the ground can also carve out holes. Holes in the ground, usually limestone bedrock, are called caves. It's the acid in the water that eats the limestone and makes the hole, the cave. Sometimes the ground becomes too weak and the cave falls in. When the cave falls in, we say it sinks. And on the top, the surface, we get what is called a sinkhole. Here you can see where the whole ground has sunk in and formed a hole. These can be dangerous. A sinkhole. A lot of them in Florida. I want to remind you guys that on Monday, we do not have class. No first period. On Monday at 8 o'clock, you're going to period 2. Whatever you have next, that's where you go on Monday. I will see you on Tuesday. Tuesday, you need to log in at 8 o'clock, and that's going to be our last day for this semester. I won't see you till January. No class Monday, 8 o'clock on Tuesday. That's the day of your test. Your final exam is going to be multiple choice on Canvas, and it's going to be 15 questions. Remember, you can go back on Canvas and watch the videos and see all the words again. Okay, that's it. Have a nice weekend. I'll see you Tuesday, 8 o'clock. Bye-bye.